Okay.
Are we gonna open it or what?
Come on over.
Mom and Dad can't do anything by themselves. Cute. Is that the old one?
Yes.
I love it. You didn't see it?
Is it?
The whole box is really good about.
Why would I want one of those?
Okay, so look
Is
up
that
here.
cookie
Look up
for-
here while you do it.
Where's the bowl?
I have it in the car.
I love it.
You do?
Did you get my plates out or something?
Uh-huh.
Who did it?
Nicole Donardo.
I love it. It looks so good. Thank you guys. Thanks. Y'all were creative gift givers this year. Love you.
Love you too, honey. Sorry it was a little bit belated.
No, it looks so
Mom, you alright with that
good.
shirt? It's here for a reason.
Yeah.
You don't need to move stuff.
Now whose was it?
My grandmother's.
Look here, both of y'all.
50 years of KitchenAid.
Johnny, smile. It's a delayed thing. Do it one more time.
Just get my camera.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I think I should get something like that.
That looks
It's
good.
so
I
neat.
videotaped it.